In this video, I'm gonna cover about the topic on memory. What is the difference between RAM and ROM? Purpose of ROM in a computer and so is RAM. Need for a virtual memory and flash memory. Primary memory is a component of the computer that holds data, programs, and instructions that are currently in use. The primary memory is built in inside the computer. As a result, data can be read and written to primary memory extremely quickly. This processor fast access to data and instructions that what is ROM? ROM is read-only memory is non-volatile primary memory, which is nothing but storage of a device. Contents are not lost when computer is turned off. ROM can be read from but not written to, hence the term read-only makes ROM ideal for storing instructions and data that are needed for computer to run. Random access memory is volatile primary memory. Once the computer is switched off, the data and instructions held in the RAM are lost. RAM is given the term random access because data can be stored and accessed from any location within the memory. RAM is used to hold data and instructions that are currently in use. In a modern PC, RAM used to hold operating system and any documents and programs that are running. So the main difference between ROM and RAM is it is volatile and the other one is non-volatile. Virtual memory. Virtual memory is another name for secondary storage and additional primary memory. There are three There are times when amount of RAM needed to hold runnings and programs and data is greater than the amount of RAM available in the computer. When this happens, part of computer secondary storage such as hard disk can be used to store temporarily. Virtual memory enables that data that in the RAM are not currently being used to be transferred to the hard disk. This frees up room in the RAM for programs and data when data are hard to disk again. Using virtual memory makes computer run slow, as processor has to wait data swapped between hard disk and RAM. Cache memory is a high-speed random access memory which is built in to the data processor. Data can be transferred to and from cache memory more quickly than from RAM. Flash memory is a social type of memory. It can be written and be overwritten, just like random access memory. However, unlike RAM, it is non-volatile, which means that when computer is switched off, flash memory will retain its content. Flash memory is fast to access and write to, although not fast as reading or writing to RAM.